Hello and welcome to another Mr. Carter Science Special. In this video we'll be looking at how to carry out the 4 food tests. These are a required practical for the AQA syllabus, so you need to learn the sentences contained within this video. So the first test is the test for starch, and in this case we need to take yellow iodine, which we will add to the food, and yellow iodine turns blue-black when starch is present. Here's your sentence that you need to memorize and be able to apply in your exam questions. Yellow iodine turns blue-black when starch is present. The next test is the test for glucose or sugars. So to test for glucose, you must first add Benedict's solution to your food, and you can see we're adding that here. And then you must warm that, typically in a hot water bath. The Benedict solution will turn orangey red when glucose is present. So you can see the results here. Slightly better wording that we use in the UK is we say that the blue Benedict solution will turn brick red when glucose is present. And that's because the particular colour of red that you see is a similar colour to the bricks that we find in housing in the UK. So this is often a 3-mark question. You will get 1 mark for saying that we add the blue Benedicts and warm, and 1 mark for saying the brick red colour if glucose is present, and of course 1 mark for knowing the name of the chemical that we add blue Benedict's solution. So again, you must memorize these sentences. The test for protein, you need to take 2 chemicals, potassium hydroxide and copper sulfate, and add that into a test tube with your food sample. Fortunately, you do not need to memorize these 2 names because the test is known as the Biuret test, and we add Biuret chemical A and B. And Biuret A and B will turn purple when we have a protein present. Biuret A and B turns purple when protein is present. The final test is the test for fat. And to carry out this test, you must grind up the food in a pestle and mortar with ethanol in your pestle and mortar, and that will dissolve your fat. Then you must filter it, add some water, because ethanol and water will turn cloudy white if fat is present. So grind your food with ethanol, add some water, and ethanol and water will turn cloudy white if fat is present. I hope you've enjoyed this short video on how to carry out the food test. As I've said previously, it's very important you memorize those 4 sentences within this video. If you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you've learned. Perhaps tell me one of those 4 sentences. Thank you very much for your time.